Abby, what are you doing? Do you want to come out? Abby, do you want to come out? Alright, I'm going to open the door. But Abby, you need to come out even if I put my hand there. Okay? Alright, here we go. Hey, can you let me touch your fingers? Don't bite at me. Come on, sometimes you let me touch your fingers. Come on. Why are you biting? Stop, honey. Alright, I'm going to open it, okay? You want to come out? Okay, here. You're going to have to walk on my hand. Oh, you little baby. If you have to walk on my hand, you won't come? Come on. Walk on my hand. Come on. Are you kidding me? You're going to go back in if you have to walk on my hand? Come here. Come here, baby. Come on. Oh, you're funny. What are you doing? Abby, where'd you go? Abby. Oh, there you go. I know where you're going to go. You're going to go over here in the corner where you like to hide. So when I pull the shelf out, I bet that's where you'll be. Oh, there you are. You're going to lay down like you always do right over there? That'd be a no. What are you doing? Abby, come here. Come here. Come here. Now come here. Abby, I can't see you very good. The lighting's bad under there. Come here. Come here, Abby. Come here. Abby, come here. I don't know if I can. It's too dark under there. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come say hi. Hey. Hey. No, you're not going to go this way. No. No. And don't you bite me. Don't you bite me. No biting. You're not going that way. You're going to sit over there, aren't you? You just lay right there, huh? On your side. That's what you like to do. I guess you're comfortable right there. Okay, I guess you're okay. You're just gonna lay right there. You like to lay right there. Just doesn't look very comfortable. But I guess you're okay. Alright. You wanna just lie there on your side? I see you. I see you.